Hello, welcome to my channel. I have here is a Craftsman GCV 160. This is a Honda engine, so a Craftsman lawnmower with a Honda engine, and it has a self-propel front wheel gear drive. And see, there's also a choke right here. Before you start, you just move the choke right there. You see them move to choke, and then you pull the string, it should start. See that? It's a nice feature to have right here. So, and today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on this one. The oil is getting really dirty at the oil dipstick right here. Yeah, it's getting a little dirty. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's easy. There's no tool needed. So all you need to, the kind of oil you use would be the SAE 10W30 motor oil. And to catch the oil, I just use aluminum tray. You can use anything. And have a paper towel, a funnel, pair of gloves, and I have a milk carton right here to put back the old oil so I can recycle. I need to just remove the dipstick right there. Alright. And I just put the aluminum tray right there. I go to the left side of the lawnmower, and then I just tip it right here, lift it up. Yeah, that's it. See, the oil is pretty dirty. See that? That's all you do. Just tip it, and that's it. Okay. Now it takes about like 0.58 quarts of oil, so it doesn't take a lot. So it does around 18.5 ounces. So put it in a little bit of time, and then check it with your dipstick. Just make sure you don't put too much oil or too less or too little. And hit the funnel. And put in the new oil. And check it with the dipstick, see if you have enough oil in it. See the dipstick right here? If you anything around this side here, that you have enough oil. So you just have enough oil. That's it. And start up the lawnmower. That's it. Check the dipstick again. Make sure you have enough oil. Yep, there's enough oil. That's it. And, so for this one, it doesn't have an oil filter basically. It does have a air filter right here. So there's an air filter. Take the cover off, and then just shake it a little bit, and see a lot of dirt coming out. Still, I might have to replace it pretty soon, so you can go buy a new one, replace it. But like I said, there's no oil filter for this. Just an air filter right here. Just put it back in. That's it. All done. So yeah, just do it once a year. Yeah, oh, I forgot to mention the first step. So the first step is just to start up the lawnmower a little bit to loosen up the oil. But I didn't mention that step because I just finished cutting the grass. The oil is already warm up already. So that's it. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.